Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be doing a huge Redbubble haul and unboxing of all the items that I bought from my shop and show you guys what I think of them. It's gonna be my first time ever seeing my products in real life, so I'm really excited to see how the quality is in person, how it looks online versus how it comes in person, and then, you know, just whatever else I think about the products and if I like them, if I don't, and if I would order from Redbubble again. But before I get into this video, I want to give a huge thank you to Redbubble for partnering with me for this video so that I could get all these amazing items for my shop, and thank you again. For those of you that don't know, Redbubble is a print-on-demand website, so what that means is that you can upload any images, artwork, designs, whatever on their products, and then people can buy those products from Redbubble, so you get a commission of every sale you make with your designs on them. So it's really easy because Redbubble takes care of the shipping, the marketing, the production, so pretty much everything that's, you know, the harder part of owning an online store. And all you have to do is upload the artwork, so it's super easy if you want to sell your designs online. And as you probably can tell from my channel, I'm on it and I highly recommend it to anyone that wants to get into the print-on-demand world. And make sure to subscribe to my channel to get all my latest content in your feed, and give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more Redbubble hauls. Alright, so that being said, let's get into the unboxing. So I actually have quite a few packages here. I ordered quite a lot and they actually all shipped, well not all of them, but like a lot of them shipped in different packages. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 packages to open. So yeah, I love opening mail, so this is gonna be really exciting, and it was really hard not to open these as they were coming because I'm pretty sure I placed this order at the beginning of October or like mid-October, and literally like every other week I'd be getting a package from Redbubble, and like I just had to like store it away and not even think about it so that I wouldn't open it, because I wanted you guys to see like my natural reaction on camera and just open them with me, because I know I love watching unboxings on YouTube, so I'm pretty proud of myself. So I think I'm gonna start with this one first because like I kind of know what it is based on the shape of the box, and to be honest, I kind of forget what I ordered because it was so long ago, but it'll be nice to be surprised. Okay, I probably should have brought some scissors because this is a little difficult to open, but I got it. Oh my god. I love it. I think it's Blue Ocean Summer Beach Waves. I can never remember the names, but oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I actually can't get over it. I don't know why, like, you're always worried about the quality of items when they come, no matter where they're coming from, and since I had never ordered from Redbubble before, I honestly, like, didn't know what to expect, and since I've read some bad comments online, I was, like, a bit worried, but wow, this is actually, I'm gonna hold that close up. It's actually such a good quality. I'm so impressed, and it's, like, a really sturdy material. That's what the lid looks like. Yeah, I'm super excited. Oh, and it's like a metal on the inside, so that's good. It'll be like insulated if you have a hot drink or a cold drink. That is so cool. I love it. Oh my gosh. Okay, great start so far. Yeah, it's so weird like seeing my artwork on this because I've seen it online so much and, you know, on my phone and stuff, but seeing it in real life is really cool. All right, so product number 1 was a success. Okay, on to the next one. We'll do this one. It's a pretty thin package. Honestly, I don't even know what it could be because apart from a few masks and a blanket, I do not even remember what I got. Oh, okay, I remember this one. It is I can't remember the name, but basically a watercolor kind of peach design. And I got it on a little canvas bag. I want to use this maybe for like groceries. So I'm trying to use just like reusable bags for groceries and stuff like that. So that's why I got this one, and it's super cute. It is like a bit faint, like a bit more faint than I thought it would be, but it's actually kind of nice because it just like gives it like a watercolor effect. And here, let me hold it up. Yeah, I really like this one. Just a cute little like summer bag, even though it's not even close to summer, but I don't know, I've always loved this design of mine, so I wanted it on something, and I think it looks really good. And yeah, the quality seems like any other canvas bag, so yeah, another success. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna work my way to like the big package because I think that has the most in it. So this one is next. I'm not sure what this one will be. I was actually happy though that this time all of the packaging came in Redbubble logos and like I knew it was from Redbubble because, as you guys know, the last 2 times I ordered stickers from them, I got them in like a blank envelope with no logo or any company name on it, so I actually wasn't sure where it was from. Oh, okay. I like this. So this is, oh my gosh, I love it. Okay, I gave you guys the first look. I didn't even look at this side yet, but it is an apron because I cook a lot and I always end up somehow getting some splatter on my clothing. So I thought might as well get an apron to hopefully avoid that. Oh my gosh, this honestly looks amazing. Like, I just can't believe the quality of these. I will definitely make sure to let people know in the comments that ask about the quality that it's actually good quality, because I never really wanted to answer that before since I didn't really order from them, and you know, I don't want to contradict someone saying it's bad quality if I never tried them. But from now on, I will definitely be a huge Redbubble quality advocate, at least for the products that I've gotten so far. Maybe I should put this on, see how it looks. Let me see. But okay, so that's cute. Let me see here. Yeah, so it goes down pretty low. Yeah, I love it. And like, you can even tie it in the front and have it look like so cute, you know, give you some shape. But yeah, I'm really happy with this one, and I love this print. Initially, I thought it was kind of like a fall print, but honestly, I feel like it's kind of like a Christmassy print too, because it has the cranberries and all that. So I think it will look perfect for the holiday season, and like if I have guests over and I'm doing like holiday baking or something, I think this will be super cute. So another win. And I have another package here. This one actually didn't have the Redbubble logo, but I knew it was from Redbubble because I got a notification that day. And it's very hard, so I think I got a notebook, probably that one. So I have 2, oh yeah, I did get 2 notebooks. Okay, so let's see if I can, oh my god, I can't even open this. I always love that noise. Okay, so first one. Oh, I love this. Oh my gosh. This is one of my sunset images that I have. Once again, I cannot remember the names. If you guys want, I can like link the names down in the description, but they're pretty easy to find on my site. So yeah, this is super cute. I got 2 notebooks because I think they were having a sale, so I was like, might as well get 2. And let's see. Wow, the paper quality is actually really good. It's not like that really flimsy thin paper. It's fairly thick. Like, I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, I always hate when I get notebooks that are like, it's almost like see-through paper and it's very flimsy, but this is not anything like that. And I'd say it's actually thicker than the average paper, so that's always a great sign, and it's definitely not like cheap quality by any means. So definitely happy with this one. Let me get another good opening ASMR here if I can. There we go. I tried. Okay, yeah, so another notebook. Oh, I was like, what is this design? I don't remember it. Okay, this, oh my gosh. This is the one I got for my second notebook. I love this one. To me, looking at this image is like so calming, which is why I called it like Calm Ocean Waves or something. But yeah, I took this picture in Portugal when I went on a trip, I think maybe like 4 or 5 years ago, I think 5. And yeah, it was like in the morning, the sunrise was coming out, and it just looks so nice to me. So I thought this would be a really cute like journaling notebook, like for like goals and stuff like that, meditation maybe, because you know, just looking at it like makes me really calm. So I think that'd be perfect for that. And here's a close-up for you guys. Yeah, I'm really happy with this one too. And yeah, same quality, everything looks good. Yeah, I'm really like just impressed with the quality of the imagery and everything on it, because some of these pictures I took with my iPhone, and I think that, actually I think both of these were taken with iPhone. So I was like, I don't know, I was just curious to see how it looked, because on my laptop it looks fine, but you never know once it's printed. But even printed, I think it looks great. So for those of you that are wondering if you can still do iPhone images and if they'll look good, I'd say yes, especially if you have like a newer iPhone. That would be even better, because this one I think I took with like my iPhone 5 or something, like whatever iPhone was popular in like 2015. that's the one I had. So even back then, it still took pretty good pictures, and obviously it's only improved. So go ahead, take images with your phones, and obviously like it still looks good. All right, so have one more package here. This is the big package where I know I have the blanket in there and then whatever else is left in my order. So oh, this one had, okay, I'll try to get this on camera. Not bad. Okay, let's see. And let's start with the small one first. Okay, so these are the masks. I just saw them. Perfect. Oh my gosh. Okay, seriously guys, like I know it's kind of shocking that I'm like acting surprised to everyone, but I really like did not know what to expect. And I'm super impressed, and my expectations have been exceeded. So honestly, Redbubble, thank you for partnering with me, because I probably wouldn't have seen like all these different things if we hadn't partnered, and I just love everything I got. So definitely grateful for that. Okay, let's start. I got 3 masks, and this was the first one I got. So it is similar to this one. It's actually the same image, but I just edited it differently so that it was more like light and like orange and purpley. So yeah, let's try it out. Yeah, so this is what it looks like on. I like that it's actually like covers your entire face, because some masks I've noticed like are way too small for an adult size, even though they claim they're adult size. So this one is definitely great. And this one has like a little bead here that you can adjust and make your mask bigger. Oops, I just got lipstick on this. I totally forgot I was wearing it. My bad. But anyways, yeah, I thought this was really cool because I have not seen this on any mask before, and I've actually had to like tie my masks before to make them smaller because they were too big. So I think that's a great bonus that Redbubble has on their masks, and makes them really, you know, versatile for any face size or shape. Okay, so my next one that I got was this Dark Ocean Waves. So it's a play on my Blue Ocean Waves. It's the same picture, but just edited more kind of dark and mysteriously. So just like darker blues and stuff, and I really like this one. And then the last mask I got was this marble mask. It's one of my marble prints that I have on there, and I got this one because I just wanted like a simple, sleek, like kind of black and white mask that you can wear with like fancier outfits, and it just looks nice and simple. So as you can see, it's, yeah, really simple, nice. I'm not gonna put it on again because I don't want my makeup to get on it, but yeah, it looks really nice. It's very soft actually. I didn't even realize that until now, but I've had other like material masks and they're definitely not as soft as this one. So really happy with the quality and just overall everything that I got so far. Okay, and now for the biggest item that I got. I know this is a blanket in there because that's the only thing we're missing. So I'm just gonna open it. And I believe I got the classic Blue Ocean Waves for this throw blanket because I was like, you know what, it's my most popular item. I have to get it on something, and I do love it. And I couldn't decide what I should get it on, but I was like, you know what, I feel like a blanket would be nice because it kind of like bring that tropical vibe to whatever room that I put it in. So, okay, here it is. Oh my gosh, wow, this is so nice. Okay, I can't even see all of it, but like I already love it. Okay, oops, I don't even know what I just dropped. Okay, so this is the bottom. I don't even know how I'm gonna show you guys this whole thing. Okay, the quality is amazing and it's so soft. Here, let me get up and try to like show you guys the whole towel, or the whole, oh my gosh, blanket. Okay, I don't know how I'm gonna show you guys the whole thing, but as you can see, I'm just gonna like pull it up maybe. Oops. Yeah, wow, this is huge, and it honestly wasn't even that expensive. Like for the size, I think it was pretty good. Definitely very soft and cozy, and the print is actually like really nicely on there. The colors are so accurate. Like there's so much range in the colors, and I didn't know if I was gonna pick all of that up because sometimes people say that like the colors don't come out exactly how they look online, but I think this is like a perfect replica. And yeah, like all the little details and everything in there is there. So I'm really happy with how this one turned out. And I'll definitely be using this. I feel like this look like so cozy already. Yeah, I think this will be my new favorite blanket. It's just, I don't know, like I feel like something about seeing your own artwork on things in real life is just so cool and just makes you like love it that much more. So I will definitely be using all of these things so much, and I give Redbubble a 10 out of 10 review. Seriously, like as you guys saw on camera, like every product was amazing and nothing was wrong with any of the products. All of the printing, the colors was super accurate to how the images were online, and none of them were like blurry or anything like that or pixelated, so I'm really happy with that. And definitely gonna be ordering some more stuff because now I feel like I just want everything in my shop, and I can't wait to film more of these for you guys. Let me know which item was your favorite below, and if you've ordered from Redbubble and what your experience was. I'd love to hear it in the comments, and you know, hopefully you guys have all had good experiences, and if not, Redbubble's customer service team is amazing. One of my packages actually got lost by Canada Post, so I think it was the one with the blanket in it and the mask, so it actually said that it arrived, but it hadn't. So I just contacted Redbubble and they just sent me a completely new package of the same stuff without questions or anything like that. So even if you have little issues like that, they solve it for you super quickly, and I was really happy with how the customer service team handled it. And I mean, I was already recommending Redbubble to you guys, but now I recommend it even more, and not only on the selling side as, you know, an entrepreneur seller of print-on-demand stuff, but also as a buyer if you're looking for gifts. It's the holiday season right now, so it's, you know, a great way to get something a little bit more unique than what's in store, and then also support an artist. So no matter who you buy from, I think Redbubble is a great option for anyone looking to buy gifts for themselves or gifts for their family, friends. It's definitely an awesome online store. And if you do want to buy any of these items that I've shown in my video or anything else from my store, I do have my discount code for 15% off anything in my store. So even if you buy multiple things, you'll still get 15% off the entire order from my store. And that will be good until December. So great for Christmas presents, anything like that. So if you are planning to shop from my store, then don't forget to use that so that you can save some extra money. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate all of you guys supporting my channel, and it's just crazy to see, you know, how my channel is growing. And yeah, I just really appreciate everyone that clicks that subscribe button. But that being said, that's all I have for today, so I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.